Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss the rich text editor control in Power App Canvas app. First, let's understand what the rich text editor in and why we use it. The rich text editor is an input control that allow users to enter and format text with different style such as bold, italic, underline, bullet point, hyperlinks, text alignment and more. It is very useful when you want user to add formatted content like description, comments, notes, or detailed information inside your app. So this is our blank canvas app. Now let's see how to use the rich text editor control in Power App. First, go to the insert and search as rich text. Click on rich text editor. As you can see, the rich text editor control is now added to the app. This is the rich text editor control. If you want to display some default text in this control, you can add it to the default property of the control. To change the text formatted manually, go to the preview mode. Like I want to add some text here. Welcome to Power Apps Studio. Like I want to change the format of this paragraph. I am selecting this one. So changes is visible here. If you want to make the text bold, select the text and then click on bold option. And if you want to underline the text, so select this text and then click on here. If you want to remove formatting, select the formatted text and then click on remove format. And if you want to insert bullet points, so you can insert it from here. And if you want to insert and remove number list, so you can do it from here. Now click on expand toolbar. Like if you want to change the background color, so you can change it from here. If you want to add a hyperlink, so you can add it from here. Like if you want to align the text left, center or right, select the text and choose the alignment option as per your need. So in this video we covered how we can use rich text editor control in Power App Canvas app. Thanks for watching.